Today we're going to talk about lawns, how we can get your lawn the envy of the neighborhood, and you can do it. You can do it yourself, and we're going to talk about a three-step method for fertilizing. And the first step is to fertilize. If you haven't already fertilized now, spring, summer, and summer would be up until about the middle of July, and then a last application of fertilizer in the fall when it's dormant, say October. What do the numbers mean? Well, this means 27% nitrogen, 7% phosphorus, and 7% potash, plus it's got trace elements in here. Now, the nitrogen is what burns. So you want a fertilizer that's, the nitrogen pellets are coated with a urea or coated with something like that, so they will not burn. You never have to water a good fertilizer in. And a good fertilizer should have added compost in with it with the fertilizer. Never water it in 3 times a year. Also with weeds, we've got a lot of dandelions this year, as we've all seen, and the municipalities are cutting down spraying. What I suggest is you simply pop out the weeds. And there's many, many different trowels, weed pickers. Pop out the weeds when your lawn is quite moist. Pop them out. If you want to use a chemical, there's a lot of chemicals available, but spot spraying only. I'm not going to say to use weed and feed on your lawn because we're not going to suggest it. Weed and feed means you're putting a herbicide over your whole lawn. It doesn't do a whole lot of good. So pop those dandelions or thistles out and keep your lawn cut about 2.5 inches, nice and long, good and thick, and it will choke out the weeds all by itself.